The evidence is clear. People who have their children between the ages of 20 to 30 have a reduced risk of getting breast cancer. The reason, the period which you are pregnant and also the period at which you are breastfeeding your child, the estrogen levels in your blood goes down, and so you are protected from getting breast cancer. Women who have their children before the age of 20 are not so protected. I think God has a plan. And then those who have their children after 30, unfortunately, are also not protected. Then family history. You cannot choose who your family member is. We don't get to choose our parents. But unfortunately, if your parents had breast cancer, the chances that you have breast cancer go up as well. In fact, there's a group of people who have certain abnormalities in their genes, and these people are especially at increased risk of getting breast cancer. They also have a risk of getting ovarian cancer. And then when you have your period, early menarche, if you have your first period at a young age, and if you have your menopause at an older age, there's evidence that you have an increased risk of getting breast cancer. The reason is that your breast is exposed to the hormone I spoke about, estrogen, for much longer, and that increases your risk of getting breast cancer. These non-modifiable risk factors, a few things that you can do something about. For example, know that your family member has breast cancer. Even though you can't change your family members, you can, because of that information, do your screening more frequently to reduce your chance of getting breast cancer, or actually to find the cancer early enough, at which point we can cure it. And then the time you have your children. Of course, there are people who try all their between the ages of 20 to 30 to have a child, and they can't have a child. They have the child at 33. There's nothing you can do about that. But as far as it's within your means, if you can have your children between the ages of 20 to 30, unfortunately, a lot of us are going to school for much longer these days, so having a child doesn't feature. But if you can, by all means, have your child early enough.